Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer affiliate links to Linktree using UTM tracking. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Linktree account. If you don't have an account yet, visit Linktree's website and create one. Next, navigate to the UTM tracking generator tool. You can find various UTM generators online, or use Google's campaign URL builder. Begin by entering your website URL in the provided field. Add a campaign source, which typically is the platform where the link is shared. Enter the campaign medium, such as social, email, or referral. Now, input a campaign name to identify this specific link later. If desired, you can also add campaign content and term to track specific ads. Once you've filled in the necessary fields, click the Generate button. Copy the generated UTM tracking link. Head back to your Linktree dashboard. Click on the Add New Link option. Paste the UTM link into the URL field. In the title field, enter a descriptive name for your affiliate link. Optionally, customize the appearance by choosing a color or icon. Once you're satisfied, click on the Save button. Your UTM tracking link is now added to your Linktree. Repeat the process for any additional affiliate links you want to track. Finally, test the links to ensure they direct correctly and track properly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.